Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down the basics of affiliate marketing and how you can get started. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales through their marketing efforts. Affiliates promote products using unique links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win for both businesses and affiliates. Some of the top affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services you can promote, making them a great choice for beginners and experienced marketers alike. Let's walk through the steps to get started in affiliate marketing. First, choose a niche you're passionate about. This will make it easier for you to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Next, focus on building trust with your audience, as this is crucial for long-term success. Lastly, always track your performance and optimize your strategies to maximize your earnings. That's a quick overview of affiliate marketing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.